Welcome back to the second part of how to get the key of a singer or any given song. In the previous segment, I discussed some standard methods on how to get the key of a given song. Now, let's put those techniques into practice as we seek to get the key of a singer. Here are the summary of the method we've discussed in our previous video. The first one, listen for the tonal note. Second, melodic analysis. Third, trial and error. And the last one, listen for tonal note from the bass guitar. So now, someone is going to sing and I'm going to get the key which the person is singing on. Okay, you can start.
I love you, Lord.
Okay, let's listen to the song
For your mercy
and
never
try as much as
fails
possible to
me.
enjoy the song.
All my days
Hmm.
I've been held in your hand.
Yes, that's not the end. It's still hanging,
From the
and
moment
that's
that
not the
I
end. So
wake
let's wait to the end.
up
When you get to the
until
end,
I
you will feel it.
lay my head, oh, I will sing
Very good.
of the
You see, I'm already feeling that she's
goodness
ending.
of God.
God. So we're looking for da. If you want to pitch it low, you can do da. If you want to pitch it high, you can do da. But I prefer the high one so I won't forget. Most time when you pick it low, you might forget. So we're looking for that sound. Da. No. 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 Ta, ta. Don't worry, by the time you keep practicing, it won't take too long like that. So the key is what? A flat. And since you know the A flat, so that's A flat. Then I will start accompanying the singer with the chord progression. Okay, let's start. On a major scale. Is on a major. So we're going to try out another song. We get the key. We'll know. We'll check out. Probably is on the minor or major also, depending on the song. So you can't determine. So you can't determine the scale which the song is going to be. It can be on a major. It can be on a minor. Okay, you can start.
Out of my belly shall flow river,
Enjoy the song
rivers
until
of
you get to the
living
end.
water.
If you notice this ending is you're not really comfortable about that ending. It's not resolving like the previous song. It shows that that song is on it ends on a minor scale or on a minor note. So we are looking for A. So we are looking for what? A. Don't forget that sound. But remember, when you are doing this, once the person starts singing, you must get familiar with the song and fast forward quickly to the end of the song, which means you must know the song yourself. So as time comes, you'll be able to accompany even song you don't know. You can just perceive the movement and then you get the key and start playing. So we're looking for A, no, A. We're able to trace the resolving note to this key. But because of that feel of it's not really comfortable at the end, if you hear that note, it now suggests to you that that song is going to be on a minor. So you are not going to play a major, you are not going to play A flat major. You're going to play A flat minor. You hear that now? Out of my belly. So if you play A flat major, it's going to sound like this. Did you hear that? Did you see that it's different? So it's A flat minor chord. You see, that's the resolving part is not really. It looks as if something is wrong at the end. So that's how a minor resolving point is. So we are playing the first chord we are playing is A flat minor, not major. So the song is on a minor key or a minor note or starts on a minor chord. Easy. And please, by the time you hear a song, don't rush and be playing all those movements you've learned. No, take it gently. Understand the song first before you fire on. You get it now. So out of my belly, see that shall flow river. 2, then 3. You hear it? So not, if you play A major, do you hear that note? So it is A flat minor. So when a singer is singing, you can only apply two methods, which means listen for the tonal note, which I've done, that's the end note, the home note, or you do melodic analysis, where you can do try and error, but that would be it will disturb the person singing. So I won't advise you do try and error. And you can't listen to the bass, that's the fourth method. There's no bass player. So the first two methods you can do is what? You listen to the tonal and also the melodic analysis. So by combining these methods and using your ear to listen closely, you can effectively get the key of a singer or any given song. Though it may take some time, but with practice, you become more adept in recognizing key of any given song or when a singer is singing. If you like to see more useful content like this, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, turn on the notification bell, share with friends and family, and see you in my next video.